Get noticed in this 2006 Chevrolet Monte Carlo. Travel the roads in style and comfort in this great vehicle. With a reliable 6-cylinder engine connected to a smooth shifting automatic transmission. Premium wheels lend a distinctive appearance. Brake safely with the anti-lock braking system. This car has separate passenger temperature controls. Plus, enjoy these notable features that are included in this vehicle: air conditioning, power door locks, power windows, power steering, cruise control, power mirrors, an alarm system, an AM/FM stereo with a CD player, an adjustable tilt steering wheel. And for your peace of mind, the following safety equipment is included: front ventilated disc brakes, passenger airbag, daytime running lights. Let us put you in the driver's seat today. Call or click to contact us.